Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great, and if you're new, welcome. So in today's video I want to do my nails because it's going to be my birthday in 2 days and I want to do something pretty. I know definitely I want to use these two from Madam Glam. I recently got them and this is shade Boy Bye and Girl Power, and they're gorgeous. This is how they look. I already did a video swatching them. I will link that video down below or somewhere on the screen in case you're interested in watching it. So I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do yet, but I know I want to play with these two colors and maybe some of these glitters. I was thinking maybe this one. I'm not sure yet. So, but first I have to file my cuticle area where my natural nail is, so I'm gonna do that now. This is a sanding bit that's for natural nails, so it's soft. Currently I have on builder gel from Mia's Secret, so that's what I'm going to use to do a fill. I've been liking it a lot. It's so much easier to file than acrylic. I haven't used acrylic in a while because lately I've been loving builder gel. Originally I wanted to do one hand green and one hand purple, but I think I'm just gonna do both on both hands. So I'll be using this one, Cover Nude by Mia's Secret, and the UV base and top gel. I'm not going to show that process because I have a full video on first impressions and doing an infill using this product, which I'll also link down below or somewhere in the screen in case you're interested in watching that too. Okay, so everything is done. I applied the builder gel, I filed my nails, everything's ready to go. So now for the fun part. I was deciding what I wanted to do. So I think I have an idea of what I want to do, and I'm going to switch glitters and I'm going to use this one instead. I'm going to start with this color. But I'm gonna use the other one too, which is this one. It's like a nude pearl pink, baby pink. It's called Flawless. And I'm going to cure this in the lamp for 30 seconds. Let's do the second coat. Now I'm going to add the glitters, and for that I'm going to use Madame Glam's top coat. And I'm also going to add some stones. Let's start with this one first. Sorry, I keep getting out of frame and I don't even notice. I like putting these chunky glitters like this one by one because I get to decide where I want them. It takes a little while, but I prefer it that way. I'm gonna pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds. Now I'm gonna add some stones. These are 2 mm and these are 3. And I'm gonna adhere them with the same top coat. I'm going to flash cure that for 10 seconds. I'm going to add some here in an angle. slash cure for 10 seconds. Now I'm gonna top coat all of them and give it a full cure. And this one I'm gonna double top coat to secure the glitters. Okay, so I'm gonna do a green flower right here, just a simple flower with 3 petals. Clear acrylic. Now I'm gonna add top coat to that and I'll be right back. I truly love them. That green and that purple together, oh, it's just so delicious. Also, I used the Madam Glam cuticle oil elixir for my cuticles. This one's really, really good. I love this one a lot. So if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. If you can, that helps me out a lot. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.